So ever since the arrival of ChatGPT, everyone has been talking about how they can incorporate AI technologies within their business, whether that's making videos or creating art or even writing vlogs and selling online. Everywhere it's applicable, everyone is now thinking about using AI technologies. So here are 4 potential benefits of using AI technologies in the production of your YouTube videos. So in number 1, it increases efficiency. AI technologies can help you produce videos much faster by automating certain processes and tasks that you normally have to do by yourself, like transcribing audios, generating captions. Also, AI technologies can help you to generate video titles based on keyword search that people are searching for. And also, another cool thing with AI technology is the fact that it can help you to create or write your video description. All you have to do is just input certain keywords that you want the AI to use to write that description, and it will do the rest. And when you're a content creator, you want to be as efficient as possible because it will save you on time, energy, and effort. Also, it will give you the ability to bulk produce. And what I mean by this is that it will give you the capability to produce more than 1 videos in a day, which will give you enough time to do more research so that you can make better quality content for the next future videos. So number 2, it enhances personalizations. AI technologies can help you create more personalized videos for your viewers by analyzing your viewers' data and then suggesting contents based on what it thinks will be more engaging to your viewers. And how it does this is that it goes in on your videos and then it sees how much people click on your videos and how long they stay, and that will give it a good idea of what video ideas are being more engaged or more relatable to your viewers. So in number 3, artificial intelligence can help to increase the accuracy of your videos by ensuring that there's no element of errors within them, like typographical errors or mispronunciations. This in turn will increase the credibility of your videos or your channel in your viewers' mind by them seeing that your videos does not have any type of inaccuracies. They will start to associate your videos or the information that your videos presents in them to something that is right. So in number 4, artificial intelligence can help to increase the creativity of your videos by suggesting new video ideas that you've never thought about, or suggesting new elements that you can incorporate in your videos that you've never thought about. And you want to keep your videos interesting because people's attention span is very short, and the way for you to get a good audience retention on YouTube is that you keep your videos very interesting. Overall, using the assistance of artificial intelligence in the production of your YouTube videos will help you to save time, create more engaging videos, and potentially reach a wider range of audience. So if you did like this video, then consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, see you in the next video.